If you want to change a slow motion speed on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, what you can do is you can open the camera, and then in the camera, of course, we need to open the slow motion mode. So we're gonna swipe up over here where we have our different camera modes in order to open the more section, and then we're gonna select slow motion. In here we have different resolutions and the frame rate, and the frame rate is what can make the slow motion effect slower or faster. Essentially, the only way to actually change the slow motion speed is by using 720p resolution in this case. And here we can tap on 120 frames per second in order to switch to 240. So if you want to have even slower videos, then you can use 720p. Sorry, I mean 720 frames per second. And it is actually the case in the Pro Plus model as well, because over here, if we try to have higher frame rate with 1080p, it just doesn't work, just like in the Pro model. So that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.